I'm Robert with Acme Locksmith, and what I have for you today is a pistol safe that's actually going to protect what you have inside of it from theft. You're watching Locksmith Recommended. Now, you've probably seen videos I've done where I talk about other pistol safes. A lot of them you can get online at big warehouse stores. And those are really, really good if all you're really interested in doing is protecting little hands from getting access to your weapons. And they will serve that function well. But if you want to protect something that's inside the safe, if you want to protect this from actual theft, you're going to have to get something much more robust, much more secure, and that's where this American Security HAS410 handgun safe comes in. If you're not familiar with American Security, any kind of safe you can want, they carry it. Now, what they're really known for, though, is high-end security safes. If you're looking for a gun safe to secure your weapons and some other material, their BFX and BF2 gun safe lines blow the competition out of the water. Now, if you're looking for the best handgun safe this year, you're going to land on this one, or American Security also makes a brother safe to this called the PS1210HD. They have very similar features. The main difference here is this one has a pull-out drawer, whereas the 1210 has a traditional lid that opens up. Some of the features you're going to get with this safe. One, you're going to get a 3/16" solid steel door. And look at how this door is formed. It's actually wrapped around, so it's going to be very difficult to get anything inside of there to get this door pried open. That 3/16" is 7 gauge, which is phenomenal for a handgun safe. The body is wrapped in 10 gauge steel. If you look at the inexpensive big box store handgun safes, that's up to 300% thicker steel than those. One of the great ways to compare two safes of similar sizes, maybe you're looking at this brand and another brand, is to look at their weight. The safe that's going to be heavier is most likely the safe that's better built. Let's take a look at the weight of this safe. Wow, this safe weighs in over a whopping 23 pounds. This is a mechanical simplex lock. If you ever want to get into a safe quick and you've gone with one of those ones that have an electronic lock and you haven't used it in a year, when you go to your safe, you're not going to know whether or not the batteries are going to work. With a mechanical lock, you're always going to be able to get in quick when you need to. Now, this lock is a 5-button lock, and it gives you well over 1,000 different codes to use. To operate the simplex lock, the first thing you want to do is turn the handle to the left to reset everything. The default combination on the simplex safe lock is 2 and 4 buttons pressed at the same time, then the center 3 button. Then you turn the handle to the right, and you can open the safe. Now, the thing that makes this safe unique is it has a drawer in it. This drawer is designed to hold 55 pounds in its extended position. If you want to mount this underneath something, quickly pull out that drawer. You've got 4 mounting holes here to do this. There's also 4 mounting holes on the bottom if you just bolt it down, traditional surface mount. On the inside of the safe, you also have the punch out foam so that you can punch out and form it around your handgun. And it's large enough to store a handgun with a couple of magazines. Let's show you the inside of this now, the back of that simplex lock. One of the ways people attack handgun safes and small and expensive safes is they punch out the lock. You'll see that there is a steel reinforcement around the entire mechanical lock. That prevents it from being punched out. So they've really thought of everything when they designed this safe. I mentioned that they make the other safe, the PS1210. That is also an outstanding handgun safe. Both of those safes are the best handgun safes you're going to find. The main difference is if you want something that you're going to mount underneath the surface, then the 410 is the way to go. If you want something that's going to mount on top of a surface, you can go with the 410 or you can go with the 1210. It's going to be better for in-drawer situations. Both of the American Security handgun safes are outstanding. They're the best handgun safes available this year. They've been the best handgun safes available, in my opinion, for many years, and they are the way to go. Hopefully you found that information useful. If you have, please smash that like button. I'm Robert. You've been watching Locksmith Recommended.